just for 5 minutes. I don't know what you are going through right now. Maybe it's your finances, maybe it's your relationships, maybe you woke up this morning and you don't even know why you feel empty. But I need you to hear this. Jesus has a message for you today, and it's not what you think. He sees what nobody else sees. In Luke chapter 19, Jesus is walking through a massive crowd, thousands of people, but he stops, looks up, and sees one man hiding in a tree. A man everyone had written off. And Jesus says, "Come down. I am coming to your house today. Not the priest's house, not the important people, your house." That's what Jesus does. In a world of 8 billion people, he sees you, your pain, your struggle, your secret tears at 2 a.m. You are not invisible to him. He shows up in your worst moments. John 11. His sisters are devastated, and when Jesus finally arrives, the Bible says something extraordinary. Jesus wept. The Son of God stood there and cried. He didn't give a speech, he didn't explain the theology, he just felt their pain with them. That means whatever you are facing right now, Jesus is not distant. He is not judging you. He is sitting right there in it with you. Your worst moment is not too much for him. He specializes in impossible situations. You think your situation is too far gone? Listen to this. A woman had been bleeding for 12 years, spent everything on doctors, got worse, no hope left. She just reached out and touched the edge of his robe, and instantly everything changed. 12 years of suffering gone in one moment. Your situation has an expiry date. What feels permanent right now is not permanent. Breakthrough doesn't always come loud. Sometimes it comes quite sudden when you least expect it. Don't give up the week before your miracle. He is already working on what you can't see. Romans chapter 8 verses 28 says, "All things work together for good." Not some things, all things. That job you lost, that relationship that ended, that door that closed in your face. Jesus is behind the scenes, connecting dots you can't even see yet. What felt like your worst chapter is becoming your greatest testimony. The story is not over, not even close. So here's what I want you to do right now. Before you close this video, just say this out loud wherever you are. I trust the process. I trust the timing. I am not forgotten. Say it like you mean it. Jesus didn't come for perfect people. He came for real people, broken people, tired people, people exactly like you and me. If this touched your heart today, share it with one person who needs hope right now. Yes, and remember, your morning may be dark, but the sun always rises. I will see you in the next one. God bless you.